UYCHIAT is a true-blooded Negrense. She was born and raised in Negros Occidental. Julie is the second child of Luis and Victoria UYCHIAT. She is 49 years old and married to a very supportive and loving husband, Jim Goschil. Currently residing in Anthem, Arizona, USA, Julie moved to the U.S. after graduating from the University of St. LaSalle in 1993. She worked as a clinical instructor or clinical director for Ensign Services Incorporated for 21 years now. She discovered running much later in life, and this has inspired her.
So how I started running, wala talagang home running background growing up in Bacolod and Sagay. And also my mom was a teacher, so she was very strict with academics. So hindi niya ini-encourage yung sports. But I really love sports. I started playing nung high school, but talagang walang running background. So it wasn't until adult na nasa US na kami, and my sister and my very good friend Tessa nag-sign up sila to run a half marathon. And then they were the ones na nag-inspire sa akin to try it kasi alam ko hindi athletic sister ko. So feeling ko kung kaya niya, kaya ko rin. So that's when I started giving running a chance. Tapos advice niya sa akin, start slow. Don't push too hard kasi sabi ko, I can't run without getting short of breath. So sabi niya na just slow down your pace and keep going. And so anyway, that's pretty much what started my running. Nag-sign up kami to do a half marathon together. And then one thing led to another, inspired me to go for the 6 world major marathons in the world. And then recently the World Marathon Challenge, running 7 marathons in 7 days, 7 continents.
Signing up for the World Marathon Challenge has led her to pursue and give her running greater meaning. Julie recently won the World Marathon Challenge for Kalipay, a non-profit organization in Bacolod City dedicated to help abused and abandoned children.
So how did I partner with Kalipay? Anyway, when I signed up sa World Marathon Challenge, I know na mag-train nga lang for 1 marathon is very challenging. Kasi sometimes when you wake up, tamad ka na rin. It's not like you always wanna wake up and work out and run. So I knew na I'm gonna need a higher purpose sa World Marathon Challenge journey ko. And that's when I reached out to Anna to partner with them. And it really worked out kasi when I'm tired, when I don't want to wake up to work out, I think about the kids at Kalipay. And also fundraising for them held me accountable kasi how about yung friends ko na nag-donate na sa fundraising ko? Parang mahiya naman ako if I don't give my best sa training ko and or not give my best sa race ko. So it all worked out partnering with Kalipay kasi they gave my running journey deeper meaning and purpose.
As Julie turns 50 this April, she hopes to fulfill her dream of finishing her 6th World Major Marathon with her most recent accomplishment at the World Marathon.
So my message for everyone is get to know yourself, find out what makes you happy, what are your goals and ambitions in life. Don't wait, go for it. Live your best life every single day. Yun lang, and mabuhay Philippines.